Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to start the lesson number 9, and lesson 9 name is the letter of lean. Lesson number 9 name is the letters of lean. Question 1. How many lean letters and what are they? There are two lean letters, Waw and Ya. Okay, Waw and Ya. These are two letters and lean letters. Next question, when these letters will become lean? Answer, when Zabar and Pe. When Zabar will become before the Waw Sakin and Ya Sakin, then Waw and Ya will become lean. Like this, when there is Fatha, Fatha means Zabar before a Waw Sakin, it becomes Waw lean. Okay, this is example. Jim, Waw, Zabar, Jaw. Waw is Sakin because Waw has a Jazm and there is Zabar before the Waw Sakin. So Waw is lean. Okay, and next, when there is Fatha like Zabar, Fatha Zabar is same before a Ya Sakina, then it becomes Ya lean. Like Jim, Ya, Zabar, Jai. This is example. So when Zabar will become before the Ya Sakin and Waw Sakin, then Waw and Ya will become lean. Let me give you one example. This letter, okay, Waw is Sakin because Waw has a one jazm, Waw is Sakin, and there is Zabar before the Waw Sakin, so Waw is lean. This is Ya Sakina because Ya has a one jazm, that's why Ya is Sakin, and there is Zabar before the Ya Sakina, so this is Ya lean. Okay, short answer, when Zabar will become before the Ya Sakin and Waw Sakin, then one Ya will become lean. Next question, how lean letters are pronounced? Answer, lean letters are pronounced without stretching and jerking the voice. Okay, how lean letters are pronounced without stretching or jerking the voice. Like this is, let me give you one more example. This is lean letter, so we can't read this letter ba, ba, zabar, bau. That's wrong, because when pesh will become before the waw sakin, then waw can be stretched. Then waw will be able to be stretched. But when zabar will become before the waw sakin, then waw won't be able to be stretched. So bow. Okay, ba, wow, zabar, bow, without stretching. And how to read without jerking? Some people pronounce ba, wow, zabar, bow, bow with jerk. So we can't read the lean letters with jerk and with stretching. Okay, we will read with soft voice without stretching or jerking the voice. Let's go to start the lesson 9. Repeat after me. Ba, wow, zabar, bow. Ba, ya, zabar, bay. Bow, bay. Ta, wow, zabar, taw. Ta, ya, zabar, tay. Taw, tay. Tha, wow, zabar, thaw. Don't pronounce one thing. Don't pronounce this letter with whistle because tha is pronounced without whistle. Don't say saw. So don't pronounce with whistle, without whistle. Thaw, thaw. Repeat this letter. Tha, ya, zabar, thay. Thaw, thay. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw. Jim, ya, zabar, jai. Jaw, jai. Ha, wow, zabar, how. Ha, ya, zabar, hay. how, hay, ho is musali letter, that's why this letter will be pronounced in thick voice. Ho, wow, zabar ho, ho, ya, zabar hoy, ho, hoy, dal, wow, zabar daw, dal, ya, zabar day, daw, day, dal, wow, zabar daw. So don't pronounce this letter zaw, okay? Dal is pronounced without vowel, like thou. Now you repeat. Dal, ya, zabar they, thou, they, ra, wow, zabar row, ra, ya, zabar roy, row, roy, za, wow, zabar zaw, za, ya, zabar zay, zaw, zay, sin, wow, zabar saw, sin, ya, zabar say, saw, say, shin, wow, zabar shaw, shin, ya, zabar shay, shaw, shay, صاد، واو، زبر صو، صاد، يا، زبر صي، صو، صي، ضاد، واو، زبر ضو، ضاد، يا، زبر ضي، ضو، ضي، طا، واو، زبر طو، طا، يا، زبر طي، طو، طي، ظا، واو، زبر ظو، ظا، يا، زبر ظي، ظو، ظي، عين، واو، زبر عو، عين، يا، زبر عي، عو، عي، غين، واو، زبر غو، غين، يا، زبر غي، غو، غي، fa, waw zabar faw, fa, ya zabar fai, faw fai, qaf waw zabar qaw, qaf ya zabar qoi, qaw qoi, kaf waw zabar kaw, kaf ya zabar kai, kaw kai, lam waw zabar law, lam ya zabar lay, law lay, mim waw zabar maw, mim ya zabar may, maw may, nun waw zabar naw, nun ya zabar nay, naw nay, waw waw zabar waw, waw ya zabar way, waw way, ha waw zabar haw, ha ya zabar hay, haw hay, hamzah waw zabar aw, hamzah ya zabar ay, aw ay, ya waw zabar yaw, ya ya zabar yay, yaw yay. Lesson 9 has been completed, and tomorrow inshallah lesson 10 will be uploaded. Remember me in your praise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.